Today we are going to learn about mastering real-time metric visualization techniques. We will explore how to implement effective real-time metric visualizations to enhance data-driven decision-making skills.
In the fast-paced world of data analysis, real-time metric visualization is a game changer. It allows professionals to see and interact with data as it happens, facilitating quick and informed decision-making. This video will introduce you to the powerful world of real-time visualization, covering essential tools and techniques to enhance your data analysis skills. By the end of this session, you will be equipped to set up, interpret, and apply real-time data visualizations to boost business insights and drive strategic decisions. Real-time visualization tools are the backbone of effective data presentation. They range from open-source platforms like Grafana and Kibana to proprietary solutions such as Tableau and Power BI. Choosing the right tool involves considering factors like integration capabilities with your existing data systems, the user interface design, and scalability to handle large datasets. Open-source tools offer customization and flexibility, while proprietary tools often provide robust support and advanced features. Understanding these tools' strengths and limitations is crucial for setting up a visualization system that meets your organization's specific needs. Setting up data streams for live updates involves several critical steps. First, identify the data sources that are essential for your business insights. This might include databases, IoT devices, or web services. Next, configure these data streams using real-time data protocols like WebSockets or MQTT, ensuring that data flows seamlessly and securely. Security is paramount, so implement encryption and access controls as needed. Once configured, thorough testing and validation are crucial to ensure data accuracy and reliability. This setup forms the foundation for real-time metric visualization, enabling dynamic, up-to-the-minute insights. Choosing the right metrics for real-time tracking is vital for meaningful visualizations. Start by identifying key performance indicators, KPIs, that align with your business objectives. These metrics should provide insights into operational efficiency, customer satisfaction, or financial performance. Ensure that the data feeding these metrics is relevant and accurate. Prioritize metrics based on their impact on decision-making, focusing on those that drive the most value. Remember, real-time tracking is dynamic, so continuously evaluate and adjust your metrics to adapt to changing business needs and market conditions.
Integrating real-time data with existing dashboards enhances the utility of your visualizations. Ensure compatibility between your data sources and dashboards, using APIs or data connectors for seamless integration. Address potential data latency issues to maintain the immediacy of insights. Pay attention to the user interface design, ensuring it is intuitive and facilitates quick interpretation of data. Gather user feedback to refine and iterate on the dashboard design. With effective integration, your dashboards become powerful tools for real-time decision-making and strategic planning.
Data refresh rates are critical in real-time visualization, impacting both performance and accuracy. Determine the optimal refresh interval based on the nature of your data and user needs. For highly dynamic data, shorter refresh intervals are necessary, but be mindful of the impact on system resources. It's essential to strike a balance between providing timely updates and maintaining system performance. Understand user expectations, offering customization options to cater to different needs. By optimizing refresh rates, you ensure that your visualizations provide up-to-date insights without overburdening your systems. While real-time visualization offers numerous benefits, it's not without challenges. Data overload is a common pitfall, where too much information can overwhelm users and obscure key insights. Avoid misinterpretation of metrics by ensuring that visualizations are clear and contextually relevant. User feedback is invaluable, so don't ignore it. Regular system maintenance is essential to prevent performance degradation and ensure data accuracy. Finally, avoid overcomplicating your visualizations. Simplicity often leads to better understanding and faster decision-making. By being aware of these pitfalls, you can create more effective and user-friendly visualizations. Let's explore a real-world case study of real-time visualization implementation in the retail industry. A leading retailer sought to improve their supply chain efficiency by leveraging real-time data visualizations. They implemented a strategy that integrated IoT sensors in warehouses, feeding data into a centralized dashboard. This approach allowed for immediate insights into inventory levels and logistics bottlenecks. Challenges included data integration complexities and ensuring data accuracy. Success was measured by a 20% reduction in logistics costs and improved inventory turnover rates. Key lessons included the importance of stakeholder alignment and continuous system optimization.
The future of real-time data visualization is exciting, with several emerging trends poised to revolutionize the field. Technologies like augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR, are beginning to enhance how we interact with visualizations, offering immersive experiences. The integration of AI and machine learning promises to deliver more predictive insights and automation capabilities. Expect increased customization options, allowing organizations to tailor visualizations to specific needs. Enhanced user interactivity will make visualizations more engaging and actionable. Finally, improvements in scalability and performance will support larger datasets and more complex analyses, ensuring that real-time visualization remains a vital tool for data-driven decision-making. As we conclude, let's recap the key takeaways from today's session on mastering real-time metric visualization techniques. We've explored the importance of real-time visualization in enhancing decision-making and business insights. You now have the knowledge to set up data streams, choose the right metrics, and integrate real-time data with existing dashboards. Additionally, we've discussed best practices for data refresh rates and how to avoid common pitfalls. With these skills, you're well equipped to implement effective visualizations in your organization. Continue to explore and experiment with these techniques to further your learning and expertise.